Exposing the truth in T-Rex's roar. Prepare to be amazed by what scientists have discovered. So what did the T-Rex really sound like? Spoiler alert, it's not what you think. First, forget about the Hollywood roars. Those were made with lion and tiger sounds. The real T-Rex sound is way cooler. Scientists used fossils and modern animals to recreate the roar. Think crocodile grumbles mixed with a pigeon coo. Crazy, right? The T-Rex likely made low-frequency sounds that could shake the ground. It's called infrasound. Sounds too deep for us to hear. Imagine feeling the vibration before you even see the T-Rex. That's how it ruled its territory. Terrifying and awesome. So, next time you think of a T-Rex, remember, it wasn't just loud, it was earth-shaking. Want to know more dino secrets? Hit that like and follow.